Hello and welcome back. This week we're taking you on the best tour in El Nido.
We hired a private boat and tailored our trip to show you the most amazing spots in the area.
It's 9:40 in the morning. It's super quiet here at Big Lagoon. It's probably the best time to come. There is a couple of other kayaks, but this is probably the quietest you'll get it.
There was maybe 5 or 6 boats when we came in.
Yeah.
But we were one of the first boats to leave the port in El Nido.
Yeah.
It's so quiet. It's amazing.
It's beautiful. Listen.
Just doing kayaks. Not doing boats. This is actually one of the oldest resorts in El Nido. You can stay here for between 20 and 30,000 pesos per night. We're at our second stop of the day. We're at Secret Lagoon. It looks super beautiful here. It's a little bit quieter than some of the other places we were told, but it's still relatively busy.
Yeah.
There's a cool cave that we're going to go through.
I'm going to do some snorkeling.
Do some snorkeling.
Let's go see what's underneath.
Secret Lagoon, or maybe not so secret, has a few of these really cool caves that you can swim through, and if you get here at the right time you can have it all to yourself.
Welcome Entalula Island, El Nido, Palawan.
It's lunchtime and we are enjoying the most amazing feast.
This is awesome.
Like, I don't know how they managed to cook up this much amazingness in a tiny little boat. Yeah. It's insane.
You got rice, noodles, shrimp, fish, chicken,
everything.
Salad,
everything you could ever want.
A different
and
salad.
We've even got a personalised name thing. How cute is this?
That is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Safe to say, we're obsessed with El Nido, we're obsessed with Jeffrey. Jeffrey has brought us on such a top-notch tour. We can't wait for the rest.
Yeah, we're technically on tour A, but tour A doesn't come to this island because we're on a private tour. He was able to bring us here for lunch, and it's amazing. Such a beautiful place. Go! Here we go. Yeah.
You're right, drowning. Maybe it's not built for you.
I don't think it is. How do you get out? There we go.
We have made it to our final stop of the day. We are at Papaya Beach. It's so beautiful.
There's loads of fun activities here. You can play basketball, you can play volleyball, there's a bar for beers.
Yes.
That's my favourite one.
There's a snorkelling spot. Yeah, this is a really cool, could spend a nice afternoon here.
Little slice
chill.
of paradise.
Slice of paradise,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
this is
beautiful.
really nice.
We're going to do some snorkeling, we're going to grab a beer, and we're just going to chill after a really busy day,
Yeah.
but an amazing one.
It's been awesome. I think a snooze might be in order.
I think a little beach snooze, we need it. So soft.
Sand angel.
Sand angels. Look at this.
Cheers.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Couples Quest vlog. This tour guide Jeff from Nido, Palawan. So welcome also to the YouTube channel also. My special guest, Sir Matt and Manuel. By the way, my name is Jeffrey. I am one of the tour guide here in Nido. You can follow my Instagram, tour guide Jeff 34. And I have a YouTube channel also, Tour Guide Jeff TV. And if you want a private tour, very, like romantic place, so you can choose me. Try to choose me, and I do my best to give you a nice tour. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. From Nido, Palawan, Philippines, Jeffrey, Tour Guide Jeff.
Next time we see you, we'll be in Siargao, exploring the beautiful island and everything it has to offer.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. See you then!